What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy D Brown, back at it again. We're gonna do another video update. Like I said, I'm doing this thing, modifying the vehicle. What I'm gonna be doing is actually installing a louver, window louver on my vehicle. So you can see my beautiful face. Window louver on the back window. I got this from E&G Corporation. Gave me some instructions. It's here. I'm gonna show you guys. Only thing is, I'm just gonna prep it for right now. I can't install it maybe until tomorrow, just because there's no sunlight and it's already dark and I'm not trying to make a mistake. So for right now, I'm gonna prep it. Tomorrow we'll install it, but I'll show you so far what I've done. So here we go, check it out. So as you can see, this is the louver here that I got in. I already put in the plates here with the 3M adhesive. So this comes off, it unscrews. I'll show you guys real quick. Let me just flip it and show you guys. On the bottom, you can see like the screw there is on the bottom, and on the other side are these plates. This is a plastic louver, it's not metal. And so what I'll have to do now is actually, according to the instructions, which are a little bit confusing, but I think I figured it out. Next thing I'm gonna have to do is put the foam that they gave me. They gave me 4 packages, one small, and there's this one, this one, this one. I think I'm gonna have to go all the way across on here. All the way across on here, all the way across. So basically, all the way across. I'll show you guys what it looks like. And then I guess they want me to add a second layer across the middle, but I will show you, I guess, what that looks like. While I do it, I'm not gonna show you the whole process, but I'll show you guys as soon as I get done. So give me 1 sec. All right, so day 2. Like I said, last night, it just started to get dark really fast in Arizona. I think it starts to get dark around like 6, and that's about the time I got home. So I didn't want to risk going out there and trying to figure out where to measure it at and it being crooked. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update on what I've been doing. I actually been doing some research too to even make sure that having louvers on your back window is even legal in Arizona, and apparently it's not illegal in any state. So hopefully I got that information correctly. So I'm gonna slap these back there. There isn't a lot of videos showing how to freaking install these things, and I'm going to go ahead and run through you guys and not run through you guys, but I'm gonna run through and show you guys maybe how to do it, maybe to help you out. So yeah, the first thing I'm gonna have to do is go outside. I'm gonna clean the mirror in the spots where it's supposed to be touching the 3M tape, and I'm also supposed to put some of the foam gasket or the foam like strips underneath the trunk so that it doesn't touch the louver. So, and I'm also going to be installing this by myself, so I hope I do a good job. Well, as you can see, I went ahead before I got all these done, and then I took the foam strips, ran it all the way around, and then also put it in the middle here. And what I did was, I don't know if you guys can see that, you probably can't, let me see. So as you can see, I put a piece of foam down, and then they said put another piece of foam over it, just in the middle portion, I guess, just to keep it from like rattling against the windshield or the rear window. So yeah, I'm about to go clean it off right now. And I think what I'm gonna do is maybe peel off 1, 2, 3, 4, line it up on one side and mash it down, and then line up the other side and do it. I'm gonna fit it on there before I take anything off, just to kind of figure out if everything is cleared or not. Should be. I did a little bit yesterday, and it looked like the trunk won't hit, so I'm gonna go clean the windshield right now, and then we'll get this bad boy on. Let's go. So I just did a dry fit just to put it on there to see how it looks. This is how it looks when it comes out. I definitely got trunk clearance in there. So hopefully it'll be a perfect fit. But this is basically what it'll look like. I went inside and I looked at how it would look like looking out the rearview mirror, and it actually looks pretty cool. So what do you guys think? Alright, let me clean off the windshield, let me add the foam to the trunk, and then we will get it installed. Just gonna use some alcohol water mixture, microfiber towel, clean off the windshield.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
They gave me these things here. These are for it's like a adhesion promoter right here. It's an adhesion promoter, so I'm about to put this right here. So I'm about to put this where the 3M is supposed to be touching the window to help for the adhesion. I just put it all the way around just because I had enough. So I got that on. Got the adhesive promoter on here too. So, moment of truth. We're gonna put it on. Like I said, I'm thinking I'm gonna take off 3 on one side, line it up, and then do the other side. Here we go. They say to do it with the trunk open though, so let's do the damn thing. Alright, now they say to go ahead and loosen the screws 3 or 4 turns to where it's loose and just press down on the screws, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the window one more time and then throw this back on. We should be done. Trunk clearance. looks pretty good. Barely clears. Look at that. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna give you guys a shot of what it looks like from inside the car. So sitting inside the car, this is what you see. And it don't look bad. Like, I can still see behind me. I think what's most important is that you get the trunk clearance. Anyways, if this video helped you out, if you're thinking about installing louvers, mine's a 2019 Challenger RT. I'm not sure if it makes a difference with years or anything like that. I'll put the link of the louver that I got on Amazon. I can't remember what the price is, but I'll list that on the bottom too if you guys want to check it out. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a lot of updates and modifications with the car. Yeah, if there's anything else you guys want to see, let me know. Drop it down in the comment section. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. Camera's about to die, so we're about to end the video. Peace.